Hi, my name is Mark Dravilis, and I'm the Acting Administrator for the City of Columbus Planning Division. In this video, I'll be talking to you about our guiding principles for planning in Columbus. Columbus has developed overall guiding principles to ensure that our plans address the core ingredients that are essential for quality neighborhoods. The principles are the basis for our land use policies and design guidelines that are included in Columbus citywide planning policies. The first guiding principle is healthy and complete communities. This principle states that neighborhoods should have a mix of uses that provide a range of housing types, retail and community services, and employment opportunities. Neighborhoods should also be served by multiple transportation options. This guiding principle supports revitalization of Columbus's older neighborhoods, mixed use and higher density residential development along primary corridors with access to transit, and protection and expansion of employment centers and businesses. The second guiding principle is guided growth and sustainable development. This principle states, as Columbus's population grows over the next few decades, how and where development occurs will impact the quality of life in our city. Guided and planned development will conserve both economic and environmental resources, provide access to natural areas and open space, and encourage investment in neighborhoods. This guiding principle encourages natural resource preservation, sustainable development, and creating walkable and bikeable neighborhoods with access to transit. The third guiding principle is design and character. This principle states that Columbus's diverse neighborhood character adds to the vibrancy of the city. High-quality development enhances the character of neighborhoods, creates a sense of place for residents, and attracts investment. Design guidelines provide a basis for thoughtful development that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This guiding principle and the associated recommendations are important because they lay the foundation for the use of design guidelines, which are often the key to creating quality development. The design guidelines are a tool used to guide and promote high-quality development within the city. City staff uses the guidelines along with land use recommendations to review rezoning and variance requests, which we will continue to discuss in the next few videos.